Guys, as you requested, come here. I'm going to set up a sound system here in the living room of our client's apartment. There are 4 speakers in the ceiling, the subwoofer will be here, and 2 speakers here on the balcony. One exactly above this counter and another one further at the end over there, making a total of 6 speakers connected at the same time. Come here, I want to show you something really interesting. When it comes to sound, ambience, and the client, this is already considered a top-of-the-line sound system. So the client can sit here on the couch once everything is ready and watch his television. Here, with this sound, this audio coming out of these speakers here in the ceiling, come here, I want to show you what we're going to set up in terms of sound and equipment. I have the subwoofer, which is for the bass sound. You know those beats? This device here, all the equipment is from JBL OK, will stay on the floor next to the rack. I have the amplifier here, which is this machine right here, and it will go inside the client's rack. As soon as the carpentry finishes the assembly there, we'll set it up. Here are the cables that connect the subwoofer to the amplifier and the amplifier to the television as well. Okay, the speakers that go on the ceiling are this model here. I left one open here just so you can see. Look, this one is made to be embedded in the drywall. Check out how nice this speaker is. Come here. All of them are from JBL, okay? It's a speaker with really good power. 160 watts root means square each one. The amplifier was sized for this as well, okay? And there's not much of a secret. This here is just the finishing. After we install it in the plaster ceiling, this little grill here looks really nice. All white, matching our white ceiling. There are 6 little speakers that go in the ceiling. What do you need to understand to set up ambient sound in your television room without spending too much? Just so you have an idea, for all this equipment here, subwoofer, amplifier, cables, and the 6 little speakers, there's about 5,000 Rs worth of equipment here on average. Okay, what do you need to do? The furniture is right here in front. But do you see these wires here in these holes that I already cut here in the ceiling? Do you see these 4 here look 2 and 2? This has already been measured and calculated, so each point will be correctly placed. And these wires you're seeing here, look, are the ones specifically for the speaker box. They're coming down this wall back here. I did this beforehand, okay? And the wires are coming out down here where our client's rack will be. The rack will be set up here. The television will be up here. And the wires are already there. Look, see those red wires over there? All of them, the 6 wires, the 4 speakers here in the living room, and these 2 here as well from the balcony, okay? So there's not much mystery when you're going to set up a sound system, a background sound in your house, your apartment, or your living room. What you need to do first is run the wire, have the wire ready before the drywall ceiling goes in. Everything inside the conduit, all neat so it looks good, tidy, and protected. Where your amplifier or your receiver will be depending on what you decide in your project. So here it's an ambient sound system which will have very good sound quality because the equipment is of excellent quality. We have here about 60 square meters adding up all this space, from 40 to 60 square meters, and the sound system here will be special. The sofa will be here, a very beautiful island sofa. There will be the television, and when he's watching anything on television, the sound will come out of the speakers. He can also connect via his cell phone using Bluetooth. And the audio, YouTube, any video he wants to listen to or watch on the television will also play through these speakers. So you don't need to invest. Don't think that you're going to spend 15 or 20,000 Rs to set up a sound system in your house. Obviously, I'm telling you, there are 5,000 Rs here just in equipment. I didn't include my labor because my labor for this sound system was included in the project we're providing for this client's installation here. But basically, that's what you need to understand. Run the wires first, determine exactly where the speaker boxes will go, buy the equipment that will meet your needs, and then do the installation. This is the first video showing you just the initial kickoff of what we're going to provide here later. Once this carpentry work is finished, I'll set up all these speaker boxes, connect the amplifier, install his television here, and I'll make a video for you with everything working. And then you'll get a real sense of what it's like to have an amplifier, what it's like to have a subwoofer. And 6 of these ceiling speaker boxes here built into the ceiling, which in this case he bought from JBL. In my opinion, it's one of the best out there, if not the best. JBL. Well guys, that's basically it. All the speaker boxes here, all 6 of them, they come with the cutting template, as we call it, right? You just place it there, cut here. This is plaster, this is drywall. It's easy, no problem, and that's the first step, okay? If you want to set up a sound system in your house, take the opportunity and subscribe to our channel. This video here is number 1. There will be a second one, which I'll show you soon. Everything will be ready, working, and you'll understand what it is. A sound system for you to set up at home. You can make a cool, nice sound system yourself with the right equipment. And then I'll also tell you once everything is working, where we bought it from, where I recommended the client to buy this equipment. It's a partner store of ours from the south, but they ship all over Brazil. So, any equipment you need, they even help you with the project. They help you identify and choose the right equipment to meet your needs for your project. Since I already have a basic understanding of audio and sound systems because of the studies I've done, it was easier for me. I just sent them what I needed. They gave me a quote, I closed the deal, and the client bought it, all right? Leave your comment if you have any questions down below in the description. Subscribe to the channel and give us a thumbs up. See you in video 2. Don't forget.